want to disrespect you.
Okay.
So, if Pussy is ready to sign an agreement, I will withdraw the case.
If he sign only an agreement,
yes,
he's willing to withdraw the case. Okay.
Yes.
He's going to sign it.
Yes. Agreement that he will stop threatening me by he sent me money and all those rubbish. Yes, he's gonna sign an agreement so that I will withdraw the case. If not, I can never. And
only God
I'm not
knows
ready
you are
to
clean.
do that.
And only God knows you don't have hands in this issue. If it's only an agreement, okay, done. It's a done deal.
We are not gonna have any problem.
Okay.
With that.
So please, can we go to the police station? Can we go to the police station and withdraw the case?
But the agreement will be signed first before any
Don't
other
worry.
movement.
Just handle that.
Have to be signed agreement before any other movement.
Don't worry.
It's meant to be.
Oh, this shema. Oh, na 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 na. Mi pesa mi don nipa, sansubu nipa. Minya mese nipa, friso nipa nyane nipa te. Enso nipa kruya wadane ni ukoko ne konebi. Okweti fi komuruzwa, na wabana faba baby sami.
Bro, have a seat.
Black. Black. You know everything is time, right? Time will come. The time will surely come.
You see that? This all I can't tell. La Canta, I just put you for you to learn lesson. They say wa jene bra for kakra. Hope you perceive the odor and the aroma.
Sister, you see the way he's mocking me.
Forget.
You are mocking me, bro.
It's a lesson.
Forget and let's come away. That's it.
Me of all people in sales.
It's a lesson.
Me of all people, black. Sister.
Pussy.
Can you see that?
Pussy. Don't forget to get inside, okay?
Can you see that? That is the reason why I don't want to
just get inside and have a very warm shower and sleep, okay?
I better go and bath.
Yes,
Black.
You just smell it. Go and bath first. You have to bath and God. Brush your teeth before talking to me.
Just shut up, bro.
Let him go and bath.
Just get inside, okay? He's even pissing me off.
So also answer because of next time. So answer.
Silence is good. Okay. Always remember that silence is good. The downfall of a man is not the end of his or her success. It's not the end of his success. The beginning of his strength. Remember that.
Okay, so not before this one.
Am I talking to
He's
you?
back in.
Black.
Can you just keep quiet?
In the days. It's not right now.
Black, you're so fun.
Bro,
Sis.
I'll give you something for a startup.
Thank you.
And it's a promise from me.
Please go and bath first. You are spoiling my this thing. What is it?
Everything is time. Sis, let's go.
I hope you have your feet. Oh, let's go.
Let's
Sis, I'm coming. No, come and stand here. Idiot.
Eti haya aduma bejina ipa ya ma.
Me wo fa no wo ho no me pese obehu.
Uni said this the second time we di madwane abetete. Sisi abonti am se gina obi am free abochi aba. Brahma brain na wouldn't be go inside no side my begina bonting.
No, for now some kind day. Now some kind day. It's not me person be who see obe how. Obe how.
I told her nyahwe. You see aba me buy ni na say. You say me ho abekire me. Me buy so sika na me wo ha na me send ma me wo fali na me brother yi. Woni me say we say scan. One first fee ni so ama me. Project am cast. What you say? Project am cast when you na wa anye o. Etu nim sisi an o de yen phone de no to change for now. Na on say me na me ma o ska bi say aware no ho hyehyɛ na anti no.
Ah, Bene. Adiasen.
Bene, ene de me ye wadanfo.
Me no na go school. Don na wo ye.
Hey. Ede na me tete wo.
Me ye wadanfo.
Hey!
Na wo ya me.
Hey.
Wani.
What's in here?
Look at the dressing.
You are what's in the dress? Hey, Mama. Hey. Bene.
Me class.
Hey. Who bother man? Hey, who bother? Who ni born in the casa? Oh, catch up. Look at dressing. Look at who ni know what's the dressing. What? What do you mean, Anna? Hey, Bene.
Oh, catch him. Say me you nua bema.
Can you let me know? What bother? Bene, go back.
I don't want to see blood here. Bene, me ban boko. Me ban. I don't want to get angry at you.
What's me no na course? Who me why?
Hey, Bene. Hey. See, make a time no work. Make a time no be no free. Men so
Bene, come here.
Hey.
Bene, come here.
Emma. Hey. I'm not casting and show. Obana men no. Listen to me. Dear gra. Me jokra efronso. Obanti.
Me cry.
Me na me catch you. So when you nyansa,
you can't live in the States.
So pent with him grader. I don't just walk about the moon. What you make catch on?
Threat, Mama police at you. Mama
Abra what me ro.
Who threaten me?
We are both more. We are so bound. What did you go?
Lunatic. See this lunatic person.
Nothing. Abo sinu muni nothing.
Uncivilized.
Like you.
Now me go say back in the States say na my dress it. Una won't mean 2 points.
So what me how? If you out me be for what?
Bene.
Hey. That me for
I'll come back again.
Fajimi ko.
Oh yeah, men ko. Then I beg. We shall meet again. Oba me matiska. Abro say, yeah, baby, why me buy?
Last warning.
What the match? My
last warning. Wouldn't don't you don't me come and I'm can't make you careful them. Now bring them copy your. Hey, brother. Abodam. Hey, brother. What's what you home? Huh? Hey, what's what you home? Me kese se wonti home. Brother, opeso hu se moja kutawana. Ana beja. Brother, I didn't mean for you. Benadia Ben open a menu. And open for more.
Oh, Miss Schoolmate, me no go school no so pem. Oh, ntina ama obi asem oya me bibia madam foa.
Madam.
Kun some do me fa wa chi sa.
Man kasa me
fa wa chi.
Madam no. Kasa na mo. Hey! Kasa na mo tie me. Bene. Opeska me fa ma.
O de mame.
Me no da enso.
Esum de me pe bia de mame.
E de na wo pese me ye.
Madam for keke. Madam
me come ma me nan e kan papa me hu ni da. Bene. Se bo we se sifia bene. Ada me kun. Ana me kun boy no. Se ka se me kun. Unyini. Bene me kan papa o da form. Bene. Bon last respect am da man.
On ma habie. Me
mani
ma habie mo.
Metmani no. No boy read them. Fa. Hey, bra. Bene. Message edey. So bibi ye. What am I got on? Oh ye dane. What ye dane? Be me kwasia. Opeti ti se bodamni. That's also open to ti. Keles.
On ma habie.
Me wa. Oji mi kwai. Abua otuniti amedi oji. Abua.